This dance is called No More Good Night Songs. It's a 64 count, 2-wall, improve a level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to shuffle forward on the right, and you're actually going to do it facing the right diagonal, so you're going shuffling in towards 130. You're then going to shuffle forward on the left, but you're going to do this one facing 1030. So shuffle towards 1030. Square yourself up to the front wall as you rock forward on the right. Recover your weight on that left and add on a coaster step, back close step, right foot leading. That set of steps once more, then shuffling on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter close, quarter. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, then add on kick, ball, step, right foot leading, kick, ball, step forward on that left. That set of steps once more, rocking forward on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step. So we have got the equivalent of a full turn in this section. So your half shuffle and then your step pivot half. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, rock forward on the left, same as everybody else. Instead of doing your half shuffle turn, just shuffle back on the left. Instead of doing that step pivot half, rock back on the right, recover your weight on that left, and just add on your kick, ball, step. Non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that full turn out from that section. Let's add that to the top. Shuffling on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step. Cross the right over the left, step back on that left. You're going to chasse to the right, but you're going to put a quarter turn on it to start with. So that quarter turn, stepping the right to the side, close side. Cross the left to the right, step back on the right, chasse to the left, putting a quarter turn on the end, side, close, quarter turn. So you should be back facing 12 o'clock. That set of steps once more then, cross back, chasse, putting that quarter turn on to start. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, chasse, cross, back, chasse, turn. Add that to the top. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step, cross, back, turn, chasse, cross, back, chasse, turn. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left. On the and count, you're going to bring the right back beside the left. Walk back 2 steps, left, right. Add on a coaster step, left foot leading, back, close, step. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. That set of steps once more, then forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock and back, back, coaster step, step, pivot. That's our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, ball, step, cross, back, turn, chasse, cross, back, chasse, turn, forward rock and back, back, coaster step, step, pivot. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Into a little weave, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, cross the left over. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, step forward on the right. That set of steps once more then, cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, side, step. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Into a full turn over 2 steps, so half a turn left, you step back on the right, half a turn left, you step forward on that left. Then add on a mambo step, rocking forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, right beside left. That set of steps once more then, forward rock half shuffle off on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step. Now you've basically got the equivalent of 1.5 turns in this particular section. So you've got your half shuffle, then your full turn. If you need to try and take that full turn out, keep the half shuffle in, turn that full turn into a walk. So your non-turning steps would be forward rock, half shuffle turn, instead of that full turn, just walk forward, right, left, and then add on your mambo step. So non-turning steps if you need to eliminate a full turn in that section. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing a walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. Let's add that to our halfway point. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross point, behind side cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step. Walk back 2 steps, left, right, into a left sailor step, behind side, side, a modified sailor quarter turn, right foot leading, so you cross that right behind, making that quarter turn, side, and then step forward on the right. Then add on a left shuffle forward. That set of steps once more, back off on the left. 7, 8, back, sailor step, sailor turn, left shuffle. Add that to our halfway point. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, behind side cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back, sailor step, sailor turn, left shuffle. To end the dance, we're going to add on a couple of jazz boxes. So you're going to do a right-footed jazz box with a scuff. So you're going to cross the right and the left, back on the left, right to the side, scuff the left, and then a left jazz box with a touch. Cross the left over the right, back on the right, left to the side, touch that right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, jazz box scuff, jazz box touch off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, scuff, cross, back, side, touch. Add that to our halfway point. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, behind side cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back, sailor step, sailor turn, left shuffle, cross, back, side, scuff, cross, back, side, touch. That's your 2 halves, let's put them together. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kick, full step, cross, back, turn, chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn, forward rock and back, coaster step, step, pivot, cross, point, behind side cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back, back, sailor step, sailor turn, left shuffle, cross, back, side stuff, cross, back, side touch. As you dance, I'll now go through it with counts. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kickball step, cross, back, turn, chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn, forward rock and back, back, coaster step, step, pivot, cross, point, behind side cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back, back, sailor step, sailor turn, left shuffle, cross, back, side scuff, cross, back, side touch, right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kickball step, cross, back, turn, chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn, forward rock and back, back, coaster step, step, pivot, cross, point, behind side cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back, back, sailor step, sailor turn, left shuffle, cross, back, side scuff, cross, back, side touch. So hopefully you managed to follow that. Well, that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kickball step, cross, back, turn, chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn, forward rock, back, back, coaster step, step, pivot, cross, point, behind side cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back, back, sailor step, sailor turn, left shuffle, cross, back, side step, cross, back, side turn, right shuffle, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, kickball step, cross, back, turn, chassé, cross, back, chassé, turn, forward rock and back, back, coaster step, step, pivot, cross, point, behind side cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, mambo step, back, back, sailor step, sailor turn, left shuffle, cross, back, side step, cross, back, side touch shuffles. Forward rock, cross back, forward rock, cross point, forward rock, back back, jazz, shuffle, forward rock, cross back, forward rock, cross point, forward rock, back back, jazz. Hope you managed that one.